Ready to move your familiar Cricket wireless number to your shiny new iPhone 15 without missing a beat? Let's get this done. First, ensure you have your Cricket wireless account details. Handy, this includes your account number and a PIN. You can usually find these by logging into your Cricket wireless account online or by checking a recent bill if you're unsure. Give Cricket wireless customer service a quick call for assistance before you start. When you power on your new iPhone 15 for the first time, you'll begin the setup process. Keep an eye out for a prompt that asks if you want to transfer your number. This is the crucial step where you'll initiate the porting process. At this stage, select the option to transfer your number from another carrier. The iPhone will then guide you through the necessary fields. You'll be asked for your current carrier, which is Cricket Wireless, along with your Cricket Wireless account number and the account PIN. Now, here's a key detail for a smooth transfer with Cricket Wireless to an iPhone 15. If your new iPhone 15 did not come with a Cricket Wireless SIM card, or if you are activating an unlocked iPhone 15 with Cricket, you'll need to insert your active Cricket Wireless SIM card into the new iPhone. If you're upgrading from an older Cricket iPhone, you might be able to use your existing SIM if it's compatible. The iPhone will then communicate with Cricket Wireless to begin the number port. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Depending on network traffic, you'll see notifications on your iPhone as the transfer progresses. Once the port is complete, your old SIM card will no longer work, and your new iPhone 15 will have your familiar Cricket wireless number. You'll be able to make calls, send texts, and use your data as usual. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Cricket wireless number to your new iPhone 15. Keeping your contacts and services intact. Enjoy your new device.